Today I'm going to be prepping the engine for the new drive system. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So over, past 20 videos or whatever, there's a few things that have happened. One is with this type of automatic transmission, it's a little bit too big for the car, so I tried bringing the engine forward. Another issue that we had was the way that I put the mounts on the engine, because the webbing of the engine was causing some clearance issues, so I put some spacers on there. Well, consensus is get rid of the spacers, grind into the web, get that back to its proper fitment. So these are things that I still need to do. Now, what's been on the engine this whole time is a Camaro harmonic balancer, because I was going with a drive system that was going to use that. And so I took the original truck one off when I rebuilt the engine, knowing I was going to get a March performance system is what I was going to put on there. And when I found out after getting this engine in here and measuring everything up that it wasn't going to fit and that they had no other options, this Camaro harmonic balancer is no longer valid on my engine. So I need to remove that, and then we need to put the new Eddy Motorsports. I think the harmonic balancer itself is a third party, but it's an Eddy Motorsports system that I'm going to put in. And we're going to try to fix a bunch of these things all at once and see where we need to be to get this drive system to fit. And if that means moving the engine back to where it normally was and grinding out the back of the frame so the transmission has clearance, then I'm going to do that. So I've talked to a few different people about some of my options and how I should approach this. And, there's really nothing in the back end that is, a safety issue or whatever if I grind away on it. It's more of just mounting flanges for different things like emergency brake and things like that, even though I don't think the area that I need to grind will actually affect anything on the emergency brake, speaking of safety. So that's kind of where we're at. And so we're just going to hop on a few things and kind of see where it goes and hopefully get some stuff accomplished. I'm kind of happy to be moving forward from the body work and, let's get some stuff done. All right, so what we're seeing here is a diagram that lets me know where this stuff is all going on the engine. We have what's going to bolt to the harmonic balancer, and this is the harmonic balancer that we're going to be using, which is by Top Street Performance. So that comes with the kit, and this is actually a racing harmonic balancer, and has all these different options that you could use on it. Now, this system is actually keyed. And so since I'm just doing regular street performance and I don't have a keyed crankshaft, this is something that I have to use special heat silicone, high temp silicone. And so I went out and bought some of this stuff, and I need to fill that gap so I don't have any engine oil coming out the front. So this is my original bolt for the harmonic balancer, and I've kept this around because this is great to help push things in, torque things in, but not actually use the final bolt because I'm not there yet to actually do the finalized tightening. And then I had to buy an extra bolt because when you're originally putting this on the shaft, you need something a little bit longer to help it get onto the shaft. So I bought this extra bolt so I could do that. And then I'll use this one to kind of just torque it to its low torque spec of like 30 pounds. And then that will at least get me close enough to put this on and kind of see where we're at. And then I could take the engine, hoist it up, and start getting the mounts and everything all kind of dialed in. So there's a method to the madness here, and we're going to see, how easy this goes together or not. So let's dig in. Since we bailed on the body work, including the hood, I'm going to remove this thing because it's just kind of in the way and I don't need it for anything except for aligning the hood. So I'm pulling this off. So I've been trying to get the old harmonic balancer off and the new harmonic balancer on while the engine's in the car. And that has just been insanely frustrating. I've done this before, not in this car, but done this before. It's a simple process, 10 minutes on, 5 minutes off, whatever. And I've gone to the stores multiple times to get different pullers because the two harmonic balancers are different from each other. Nothing works, or it has the right threads to go into the crankshaft, but the outside thickness that the threads go into of the main puller part of it is too big to go into the new harmonic balancer. So I've been to the store multiple times, so finally I said, screw it. I'm gonna go and order something online and just wait, a week until it comes in. And so I do that, and it's all great, but now the shaft's super long on it, and because of the interface with the front, where the shocks are and everything, I can't get the thing in there. Now, I could get it in there a little bit if I just want to use it sparingly, but if I want to use all the parts that come with it and do it the correct way, I can't get it in there at all. And so these are the types of things that I've talked about in the past, which, you have good intentions, you come in, you're gonna kick ass. Well, I've tried to kick ass like 3 times in the last 2 weeks. And I've literally ended up just staring at the car for 8 hours, trying to figure out something I could do. It's been that brutal. So again, I was all psyched up, hopped in the garage today after work, Friday night, woo! And no, not happening. Spent $100 on a part. Now, the tool's going to actually work, the $100 tool, but not while it's in the car. And I really wanted to see the front pulley on the car so I could see my clearances and then see where I need to put this engine. And so I'm not going to get that luxury, and I'm just going to have to eyeball it if I want to keep going tonight, or just, lost my wind and I'm done. So that's happened so many times recently. It's just been brutal. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do right now. We'll figure it out. So since I got blocked on the drive system, I'm pretty annoyed, and the way for me to ease that annoyance is to do some cutting of metal. So I'm just gonna dig in.